Alright, year 2023 Maryland Statutes Environmental Title 14 Gas and Oil. Subtitle 2 Prince George County's Underground Storage Act 201 Definitions. In the subtitle, the following words or means indicate that the Department of Environmental Gas, movement of natural gas, whether the not process of the removal of the component parts, not essential use for light heat power manufactured gas combination with a mixture T with the Gas Storage Company, made with a corporation with the state with the any other state with the district companies in the United States with which engaged with the supply of gas local consumer in the state in which there is engaged with the Underground Storage Gas Act and gas in the state, whether whole and in part either the direct or all unlimited distributed with the consumers. Public body means in state public subdivision, any part of it created by either by the state or any other public subdivision. Underground storage of gas, meaning with the storage of gas geological stratum, the stratum beneath the surface of the with together with all the operations of the necessary with the conveniently include, but not limited to the following: acquisition, preparation, alteration, maintenance, utilization, operation, underground storage reservoir, storage gas together with an injection gas, underground storage reservoir, and its withdrawal therefrom. An underground storage reservoirs mean strata of subsurface area of which are to be useful for the connection with the underground strata. Storage of gas. Section 202, Authority of Gas Storage Company to the acquired geological strata. The subject of the limitation provision contained within the subtitle of the gas storage company may acquire with the eminent domain for the right to be utilized of the underground storage gas of the geological strata not less than 800 feet above the surface. Maximum $1,200 an acre for the lands of the Prince of the Georgia County, without over the 12,000 acres shall be within the area of the located west of the Highway 301, located July 1st, 1965, north of the Charleston County boundary line, east of 76 degrees 56 minutes 30 seconds west longitude, south of 38 degrees 45 minutes 45 seconds north latitude. For the uses of the eminent domain in this case of the subsection corner of the division title 12 of the real property acquired with the applicability of the eminent domain preceding case for the under the subtitle. B. Subject to limitation provisions contained in the subtitle of the gas storage company may be acquired with the Prince George County with a negotiated agreement the right to utilize the underground storage gas for the gas geological strata of the owned and public body lying not less than 800 feet above surface of the land involved with the right of the body public land grant and consideration agreed upon with the gas storage company for the company public body cannot agree upon with the consideration no public authority with the green or assembly with has the power to enter into the agreement. The company may acquire with the right to eminent domain the manner provided with the title 12 of the real property article with the taking with the eminent domain private property for the public key for the provisions of the applicable within the case of the subtitle of the statute of the party may insert for the process of the shall be made by an attorney general. So the gas storage company may acquire with the eminent domain rights provided with the subsection A and B of this section with the geological strata not less than 800 feet below the surface of the land of the Prince George County, even though lands are already devoted to the public use under the authority of the law, except for the rights not done materially and interfere with the public use. Section 14.203, prerequisite exercise right of the eminent domain underground gas storage permit. Right to take eminent domain under Section 14.202A and B of the subtitle may be exercised unless the gas storage deciding of the right to obtain with the order of the public service of the commission made after the public hearing and the finding of the underground storage product to be in public interest. The company shall also obtain an underground storage gas permit, and the permit shall not issue with the consent of the department, not be issued by with the consent of the department. Section 14.204, right of the landowners in the eminent domain proceeding within Section 14.202A, B of the subtitle of the owner of the land shall be compensated for the right utilized with the geological strata to be taken from the eminent domain with the underground storage of the ass for commercial recoverable oil gas owned by the gas storage company and strata. Eminent domain proceeding within Section 14.202A with the subtitle of the owner's fee of the land having the right to the anonymous selection of the answer for the head of the jury and after evidence is presented. Alternate inquisition at fair value of the underground storage right, the fair value of the fee, simple ownership, including all the improvements on the 10th day of the following the day of the verdict. The counter shall enter for the judgment of the contempt in equity inquisition of the fair value of the underground storage right, unless on before the 10th day of every owner shall join the irrevocable election filed with the writing of the case of the half of the judgment contempt enter for the inquisition for a fee. A simple title of the property include all of the improvements from which of the case of the court, in which case the court shall enter for the judgment of the contempt of the fee. Simple title of the property. Thus all of the persons have the interest in simple title joining in an election provided for the court shall judgment of the redemption inquisition underground storage rights in the event of the property owners elect to have the judgment redemption enter the inquisition of fee simple title to the property shall be entitled for the day for the final settlement of the prior to the period of the time existing 6 months of the day of the election have the nothing in the subtitle shall prevent the gas storage company from utilizing underground storage right during the style subsequent to the inquisition. Property owner have the duty during the period prior to the final settlement to maintain property reasonable condition, normal wear and tear expected. Section 14205, right of the gas storage company to use the strata, subject to the landowner's right to penetrate. Rights to use the geological strata of the underground storage gap of the cloud of the gas storage company, any gas storage company by the eminent domain in Section 14202 A and B, the subtitle of the subject of the right of the owner of land and other rights of the interest to penetrate with the strata for the purpose of exploring and recovering gas not owned by the company or the water, of the oil, or the other minerals of the other strata that the owner desires to penetrate underground storage, gas storage in order to recover gas, oil, water, or other minerals in the lower strata. He may do so provided he gives the company with his vision written notice to permit proper precautions to be taken the company after receiving the notice after the expense of the reasonable with the supervisor of the penetration assured that it is made with a manner that will not hamper and impair the operation of underground storage reservoir result of the pollution gas stored there or permit the escape of any of the gas. Section 14206, property use of the gas injected with the underground storage capture the source of the gas in other counties. Gas injected underground storage of the Prince George County, which remains the surface of the land of the county within less than until the disposal of the consent of the gas storage company shall remain with the personal property of the company, not subject to the production, taking, and reduction of the possession, waive the interference with the body owner. Surface the land any other person with the except of the company with the authorized agent gas injected into the underground storage Prince George County with the found under the surface of any of the Annie, Adrodo, Culvert, Charleston, St. Mary's County, other than the gas mains, for the subject of the property rights for the capture of the gas and owner of the land, all respects of the gas for the curve of the naturally. In such case, the owner of the land may alternately elect to proceed against the gas storage company for his damages. Section 14207, the underground storage fee use. For privilege of using geological strata beneath the surface of each earth of the Prince George County underground storage gas and the volumes greater than the minimum volume specified for the gas storage company shall pay for the county an annual underground storage use fee. Fees apply to annually gas storage except the specified minimum value on the last day of each of the calendar year computed with the following annual rates: commodity charge paid for gas by gas storage company, evidence for the tariff under the gas was purchased, rate with the cubic feet with the gas storage, no fee under the first 5 billion, 2% over the 5 billion to 10 billion, 4 billion, 10 billion to 15 billion, 16 billion, 15 to 20 billion, 8%, 20 billion to 25 billion, and 10% on all over 25 billion. Alright, Section 14208, effect on other law vesting power, eminent domain, and storage company. Nothing in the subtitle limited to impairs rights for the extract of the power, eminent domain, which may be divested in any of the gas storage company by any other law. 14209, effect of the other laws relating to underground storage gas for the pollution of underground waters. Nothing in the subtitle repeals, amends, otherwise affects the laws of the statute public subdivision relating to underground storage, gas pollution, and underground waters. And that was Subtitle 2, Prince George County's Underground Storage Act. And that was Title 14, Gas and Oil.